raw fruits and other raw things like greens, and drinking water. I'm now going to be drinking more water and going from a mostly raw diet to a completely, totally raw diet. Before, I was also eating things like chips and the occasional veggie egg roll and the occasional sugary drink and things like that, processed foods and cooked foods. And my physical activity was not very high, so now I'm going to be increasing both my physical activity and my raw food intake, going on a totally raw diet. So there should be significant changes once I stop eating fattening food and start exercising both at the same time. So my waist is just about 28 right now. And my hips on the very tip of the summit. About 37 and a half, so almost 38. So about 28, 38. And I have a scale right here. I am barefoot. Minus maybe about a pound of clothing, pound and a half. Okay, so I'm going to be exercising daily now instead of weekly. I want to get at least 10 to 20 minutes of sweaty, heart-pumping exercise every day. And I'm going to be doing that with jogging and pole fitness. So before I was eating things like corn tortillas, flour tortillas, and the occasional dairy-free cookie and things like that. So all of those are very fattening food products. So I'm not going to be decreasing my calorie levels. I'm just going to be eating non-fattening foods. You can eat all you want, as much as you want, how often you want, if you're eating non-fattening foods. Non-fattening foods are things like raw fruits and raw vegetables. I'm also going to be eating raw leafy greens every day, whole greens from a whole salad, and that should also make a difference because raw greens really boost your metabolism. And exercise basically turns your body into a fat-burning machine. It's like when you stick a pencil in an electric pencil sharpener, just zaps it away, especially if you're eating non-fattening food. So, I am 5'9" tall, a little over 5'9", and the scale said 135, so I'm going to get down to 125 and make a decision from there and see if I should lose more weight or not.